I was just gonna talk about the president of JU, Sam.
Hi, I'm Elida.
Hi, I'm Kai.
Alright, Sunbow.
I'm just gonna go through and say yes or no.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. 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 This is so funny. Yes. 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 Yes.
I'm gonna give you more questions today for the two of us going.
And then if we have a no, yes. Okay. Do you want a box?
Yeah, just.
You can make it policy. Yeah. Just in the interest of time.
Yeah.
You gotta go soon.
Yes.
10 minutes so far.
Yes.
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 Yes, and yes, two.
Another yes.
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 Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
That was two.
Another yes from me.
Yes over here.
Yes.
Another yes here.
Another yes over here.
Yes.
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 We.
Yes.
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 That's good timing.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Ooh.
First one. Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. That was two.
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
Another yes. I think that was it. So we have.
So unanimous, Sam's won.
Yes.
Okay, so we have one no vote total. And yes, we have 20, 40, 60,
So we should straighten them out.
So,
So that-
100. It's like 116 in favor and 1 no.
Unopposed.
Yeah.
I kept it here, so I read it correctly.
So What I'll do is I'll lock all the votes in the CD case, but it's two vote, right?
Yeah.
And I have to specify, just for the sake of the recording, that we did check that everyone was a valid student voter when they voted, not from counting the ballots, it's easier that way.
Yeah.
So we have already validated all these voters' identifications. And so the final tally is, as you can see, 116 yes and 1 vote against.
Sorry for the long.